Hi everyone, this is Darcy and today I'm going to give you my full review of the Aduro LED face mask. On this video, I'm going to have some before and afters. I'm going to talk about all the settings and I'm going to give you my thoughts from using this mask since last year. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the results I saw by using this mask on and off for a while. The before and afters I have to show for you guys is for my cystic acne because I think that was the most dramatic thing that I could see from using this mask that can show you guys that this really definitely works. Cystic acne is the type of acne that doesn't really come out. It just stays there as a bump and it just looks red and irritated. It's so painful. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but I do have cystic acne, and whenever I don't do anything, I don't do any skincare, if I stop any of my tools, my cystic acne comes back really bad. And whenever I have a cystic acne, it lasts me months. So now I'm going to show you the before and after using the Aduro mask to heal it. Cleared it up in a few days, which is unheard of when I get my cystic acne. So off the bat, that was very, very impressive to me, and it shows that this mask really works and the lights are really professional. In the first few weeks that you use, you're going to see the skin is brighter, more glowy, but the more you use, the more results you see, especially since this one has so many settings. There's 7 full spectrum lights, 11 different modes that you can use. You have to see which skin condition you're treating for and use that one at least 1 month to be able to see more long-term results. How to use it. To turn it on, you press and hold this power button here. If you often do the same treatment, it's always going to turn on that treatment, which is great. It cycles through the treatment by just pressing the power button. Make sure you're using a clean face, free of makeup or any moisturizers. If you do want to use with anything underneath for improved results, I have a whole video talking about things that you can use with LED masks, and you can check out that video on the description box below. To put it on, you have this Velcro here, and you put it on. And I find that it has a pretty good fit. There's not a lot of space in between, but obviously it's not as close to your skin as it would if it was a hard mask. It's actually a nice fit. I really like the fit of this mask. It has this little clip here that you can put it on here, on your pants. And to turn it off, you press and hold. The battery lasts quite a long time, so you have a lot of treatments before you have to recharge the battery, which is great. They recommend you use daily or at least 5 times a week, and the duration of the treatment is 20 minutes. Now I'm going to talk about all the settings, and I'm going to have on the screen the wavelength of each setting that I'm talking about, as well as all the benefits. The first setting is called Wrinkle Reducer. It combats fine lines and wrinkles, it helps to increase collagen production and blood flow, it's anti-aging, it speeds up scar and healing, and also promotes skin rejuvenation. The second setting is the Acne Buster, and it uses blue light therapy. And this is the setting that I use when I had my cystic acne. Anti-acne helps your skin to have oil control, has antibacterial properties, and this setting also helps to reduce inflammation. The third setting is the Skin Balancer and uses green light, which really helps to even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of age spots, brown patches or uneven skin pigment, and even dark circles. The fourth setting is Red Away and uses yellow light. It treats rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis. Also alleviates sunburns and skin redness. The fifth setting is the Radiant Skin, and it uses orange light. Orange light really helps to get rid of the dull skin, the tired skin, to give your skin a radiance and glow. So if you have that kind of end of the day tired skin and you need some bounce, or your skin kind of lost its glow, this is a really good setting to try. The sixth setting is the Skin Soother, and this one uses cyan light that can also be very, very helpful for swollen capillaries and inflammation. I have not used this for broken capillaries, but I want to test it out in the future, and I'll keep you guys posted. Seventh setting is Cell Rejuvenation and uses violet light, and this is a great setting for combination skin, and it really helps to rejuvenate your cells. After you finish all the solid light settings, you have 4 more programs that are a combination of all the lights. So on the Skin Booster, you're combining red light therapy with infrared. The Skin Booster setting is my favorite setting to do before you do microcurrent because it really helps to warm up the muscle, relax the muscle, stimulate the ATP, so that when you're using microcurrent, it gives you an even better lift and stimulate collagen. Pain blocker really helps to heal the skin, so it's really good setting to use if you have bruises on your skin, or if you need any healing on your skin, and it is good for acne as well. The daily dose setting is a really good setting to use if you want to experience all the lights, because the daily dose setting cycles between all the 7 lights, and it gives you this kind of pulsating mode, as you guys can see, as it's changing the light. Actually has been a lot of studies about pulsating LED lights being more beneficial to the skin because the cell responds a lot better to pulsating lights. It helps your skin absorb the light a lot better. The quick fix setting is a really good setting because it goes through red and orange as well as infrared. This is a really good setting to use if you want to amplify your results because it does this pulsating motion as well, and this actually helps your skin to absorb even more on a cellular level. All the other lights are amazing and they work as well, but I think if you don't have time for any of the settings, try using this combination settings because I find that they will give you even better results than just using one color alone, mostly because of this pulsating effect, that when it changes the light, it does this little pulsating, and that helps the cells to absorb the lights even better than just in a single light mode. For me personally, I love this mask. I don't use it as often as I should, mostly because of lack of time. It is a 20-minute treatment, which is not that bad at all for most people, considering you can move around the house. But for me, sometimes I only have 30 minutes to do all my treatments. I usually lean towards quicker LED masks. That way I can do my LED mask as well as microcurrent or any other treatments within a half an hour. But whenever I have extra time, if I have more time available, I often reach to this if I want to do a deeper treatment. If time is not a problem for you, I definitely suggest this mask. I will have a ranking video of all my LED masks in the near future. I have one more mask to test it out that I haven't started yet, which is the Even Skin. And once I'm done with the test and the before and afters, then I will do my ranking video. But for sure, the Aduro mask is on my top 5 and I highly recommend. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. This is my son.
Hi.
His name is Sasha. He wanted to do a little cameo. He loves being in my videos.
Hello.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.